everybody, how are you doing? We are sitting in the RS6 Performance, and I think we are going to be one of the first ones to test how fast the car is on that Autobahn, because there are, I think, 4 parts which in theory should make this car faster from a 100 to 200 perspective, and also probably from a driving dynamic perspective. First of all, of course, it's pretty obvious. We have 630 horsepower now, and I think 50 newton meters of torque up from the regular models. Secondly, we have light wheels, and specifically with those 22-inch wheels, you have a lot of rotating mass, and even a tiny bit of weight shaving will make a big difference. The car can turn the wheel faster and more easily with the same power. And third part will be that also the drive shaft, which is more or less bringing power from the engine to the wheels, is also lighter and strengthened up, and that also of course means less rotating mass there. And in the end, of course, the overall transmission setup is also being changed of the 8-speed automatic transmission, which should result in a lot better package. Without further talking, of course, we will put it into the RS mode 1. I have set the preset to a setting that we should have the fastest possible shifts and accelerations, and I'm really excited to see 0 to 100 on the country road and 100 to 200 on the open Autobahn. Let's kick it off with 0 to 100 on the country road. It's a bit damp today, but let's see. Oh my word. This is a 3.2 seconds 0 to 100. Unbelievable. The fun fact is actually that the internal measurement system says even 3.0. Wow, that is crazy fast. Let's head out onto the Autobahn now and see what the time will be. 100 to 200. Really looking forward after this 3.2. Oh my goodness, this is really fast. 7.5 seconds, totally flat surrounding, to be precise. 748, which is definitely faster than the regular RS6. So there is a performance upgrade. We have it on the clock. We have done some pretty interesting times, and we answered the question that this car really is faster than the regular RS6. We have been in the 7.5s, 100 to 200, which I think is at least half a second, if not even more faster than the regular car that we tested. Also faster than an S8 or an RS7. That is really good, because it's still this big, let's say 2-ton, 22-inch estate wagon here. So therefore the number is good. With that, I think we end the video. Looking forward to your comments, also how you like it. I mean, perfect timing. Now it starts raining. We have done our runs, and yeah, we'll talk to you soon.